In a vast, sun-drenched forest, where the leaves whispered secrets and the flowers painted the ground with their brightest smiles, lived Barnaby, a big, friendly brown bear. Barnaby wasn't just any bear, he was a bear with a curious heart and a rumbling tummy that loved honey. One morning, as the dew sparkled on the grass like a million tiny diamonds, Barnaby woke up with a grand idea. "I need a special breakfast today," he rumbled to himself, his voice deep and warm like freshly baked bread. "Something colorful. But where will I find it?" Barnaby ambled through the forest, his big brown paws making soft thuds on the earth. Soon, he spotted a flash of ruby red. Red bird, what do you see?" Barnaby called out, his voice echoing through the trees. The red bird, perched on a branch, preening its magnificent feathers, chirped, "I see a green frog looking at me." Barnaby looked around. Indeed, there was a bright green frog, squatting by a lily pad. Green frog, what do you see?" Barnaby asked, his tummy still rumbling for a colorful breakfast. The green frog, with its bulging eyes, croaked, "I see a yellow duck looking at me." Barnaby followed the sound of a happy quack and found a sunny yellow duck waddling by the pond. Yellow duck, what do you see?" he asked patiently. The yellow duck dipped its beak in the water and then answered, "I see a blue horse looking at me." Barnaby scratched his ear. A blue horse? That seemed very unusual. He looked and looked, peering behind trees and under bushes, but he couldn't find a blue horse anywhere. He sighed, a big, beary sigh. His colorful breakfast seemed to be playing hide and seek. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.